This is our connection to the divine matrix, interconnectedness, synchronicity, God incidences. And we know we received these cards, yes, because there was more than one, with stellar gateway activation, infinite potential manifestation vortex. And this is what is being activated along with our connection to the divine matrix. And Gaia gateway activation, learning experiences, wisdom transmission, earth intelligence. Stellar gateway activation, infinite potential manifestation vortex. The stellar gateway is the highest of our chakras and is found about 12 to 24 feet, 3 to 6 meters above our head. It is the energetic gateway that connects us with the divine matrix. We'll look at that. And we receive these cards together. I love it, guys. We're following our synchronicities and signs. The divine is here. It governs our connection to the spiritual laws of creation and the quantum field, and holds our life's potential, as it holds all of the intentions that we set before this incarnation, and all the intentions we've set during it that support the ever unfolding path of our earthly experience energetically. This portal is beyond time and space, and it's no coincidence that Gaia gateway activation is next, guys. But let's finish our message here of stellar gateway. When we connect with it, we come into alignment with all the aspects of our soul's journey, including when we were part of the cosmos. This card transports us to a stargate that has a giant pyramid within it. Above the stargate, there are three-dimensional images of Thoth, the former priest king of Atlantis, who is one of the ancient masters holding the secrets of the universe. This image is a reminder of our potential, and that our ancient and starry connections. The pyramid, a symbol of rising power and of how our soul has existed through lifetimes. The Stargate is a projection of our own stellar gateway. This card is therefore a reminder that all things are possible, and that with the right alignment, we can draw the powers of heaven down to earth in order to create heaven upon earth. Guys, this all has to do with our connection and being able to deep breathely and imagine that our breath is taking us up and out to connect with the infinite potential held within the stars. Affirm, I connect with heaven and earth to create heaven on earth. And this is about being a master of manifestation, and we greatly need this right now to amp up the building and healing as we transition from the old to the new at a whole new level. Because as you see, the old is really being torn down. And that is our opportunity to amp up the building of the new. Every one of our thoughts, actions, and non-actions are choices affecting the unfolding of our path. Realize that you have great potential and power within you. And through your focused awareness, you can draw on heavenly support to create the life of your wildest dreams. Knowing that all the energies that you connect with are carried up to your stellar gateway. And if they are aligned with the intentions of your soul, had before this incarnation, opportunities will come your way. It is important to consider connecting with your cosmic origins at this time, also tracking down the intentions of your soul. For if you can bring your wishes in this life together with your pre-life intentions, you can live a life that is aligned with the highest heavens. And guys, you know, there's much information within this message. Take what resonates with you on your path. Gaia Gateway Activation. Learning experiences, wisdom transmission, and earth intelligence. The Gaia Gateway is the chakra that connects us directly with the mind and intelligence of Mother Earth. This chakra is not very well known, but it is now being acknowledged as one of the key energetic spaces we can connect with to activate the ascension process. For many years, ascension has been thought of as moving beyond the limitations of the body and transcending the physical realm. But in fact, the process of becoming present in the body in full awareness of the spirit within. The Gaia Gateway is found below our feet, underneath the Earth Star chakra. But when we're connecting to it, it's best to imagine it in the center of the Earth. To describe it is a wormhole or a portal in the center of the Earth that allows us to connect directly with the non-physical intelligence of Gaia, the spiritual presence of planet Earth. The Earth is a highly spiritual, intelligent, aware being. She has lived through many challenges and experiences that have led her to where she is today. No matter what has been served up to her now, how many of us have mistreated her, she has found a way to survive and thrive. And guys, it's once again, too, not a coincidence. Look at these two new chakras we've activated. And as above, so below. This is lit. It's beautiful. It means much. And it means much of what we're doing right now within the mission. Connect. Visualize yourself sending deep roots into the center of Earth. When you get as far as you can go, a portal will open up and connect you with the matrix of Gaia's wisdom. And this is where we heal with the word matrix. Remember, a matrix is something that we're connected to, like, rocks are connected to the bed of the matrix, like, the mountain. And then they're removed. We remove the rocks and we remove them from the matrix. We are speaking about the artificial matrix, okay? That's the hack. That's the one we don't want to be feeding with and from any longer. That's the one we're dismantling to create a new, to go back to what is right here. Untwisted. So we're going to visualize, and visualizing is very key in manifestation work and mission work. Our deep roots into the center of the Earth. When you get as far as you can go, a portal will open up and connect you with the matrix of Gaia's wisdom. Be open to receiving a direct transmission from her. Your message. Sometimes it's not about our role to know how everything will unfold. Drawing this card is a reminder to trust the plan. The wisdom of Gaia is with you at this time, and you can enjoy the natural expansion that is taking place. You may have a tendency to go traveling and look to the stars for answers, but realize that the planet you call home has much to offer too. You have chosen to be here. This may not be easy to accept, especially if your current reality is a harsh one. But your current experiences are vital for your growth. The Earth herself cannot escape the challenges that she is facing at this time. Learn from her strength. Learn from her yearning for a better future. Come back to her. She is your chosen home. Now, guys, this is big because we've connected to the divine matrix. We've gone home. And guys, if you haven't checked this message out yet, it's linked down below in our last messages. Okay? Which part is it? It's the last part. Okay? The last part within the sequences of messages. This is the thing. We have the energy of the opposites right here. We've connected to life itself and expanding with life itself and the patterns of life itself, the divine matrix, working with the divine or divinity. Now we have the stars and the earth. So we're finding the balance between the heavens and the earth. And remember, guys, we are the center point. And this is allowing us to heal from our trauma. Another key piece of information of knowledge, and we remember that knowledge is truth and applied knowledge is power. True power. And we are going to find the balance between our starseed roots and homes and the earth. And we're going to heal from our trauma and our suffering by looking at the mission. The mission is all of life has been suffering and gone through much. And look, it's still here. Life is still here. And we came here on mission work to help, to expand this. And this is where we truly are the rainbow people, the rainbow warriors. And not abandoning our missions, by not abandoning ourselves, by not abandoning our paths, by being able to do the harder things, guys. This is about being able to face the negative and be the positive charge. And this is about expanding from the lower chakras with the higher chakras, but being the balance within through the center point. And you can see there's so much portal activation here. And this is being able to work with the seer and the shaman.